My name is Moyin Otubela. I am a research fellow hired by Professor Rocco Lupoi.
Hello, my name is Professor Rocco Lupoi. I'm the director of the Science and Technology in Advanced Manufacturing Center. The center, we develop the next generation additive manufacturing technologies and advanced manufacturing technologies. Manufacturing is a very important topic. This is how everything is made around us. So we need to bring in new tech, new technologies to bridge the gap with sustainability and being able to secure the next generation production techniques in parallel with the next generation laser technologies and coating technologies and green products that we are trying to develop.
And as part of my responsibilities in my role is to help out and support all of Professor Rocco's projects. So we build everything in-house from scratch, including our metal 3D printers and our cold spray machine, which is quite big in our center. And also as well, I have my project, I make sure that everyone is following the rules and we are coordinating our efforts efficiently, and we are that goes along with procurement and to minimize waste as well. And
we have a number of European projects and national projects which do cover the development of very new infrastructure. We develop this infrastructure in our lab. It only exists in our lab. It does not exist anywhere else, being so new. And we hoping that one day this can go out there, okay, and be commercialized.